The 1970s, early environmental laws and clean air.
The 1970s marked a turning point in environmental awareness. The United States passed the Clean Air Act in 1970, establishing one of the first frameworks regulating air pollution. Around the world, countries began enacting similar laws, setting legal limits for emissions and encouraging the first round of technological innovations to reduce pollutants from industry and vehicles.
The 1990s, global climate agreements and new standards.
The 1990s saw governments recognize the need for coordinated action on emissions. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change launched in 1992, and the 1997 Kyoto Protocol set binding targets for industrialized nations. These agreements led to new regulations and funding for research, helping clean energy and emission control technologies gain momentum.
2000s, support for renewable energy and innovation.
In the 2000s, many governments ramped up support for renewable energy. The European Union launched the emissions trading system in 2005. Countries introduced feed-in tariffs, tax credits, and subsidies to encourage solar, wind, and other low-carbon technologies, fueling rapid technological advances and driving down costs for emission reduction solutions.
2010s, ambitious targets and clean technology funding.
Governments worldwide set ambitious emission reduction targets during the 2010s. The 2015 Paris Agreement brought nearly every country into a joint commitment to limit global warming. Increased investment in research, pilot projects, and incentives for electric vehicles and carbon capture technologies spurred further breakthroughs in emission reduction.
Looking forward, evolving policy and technology partnerships.
Today, government policy continues to drive innovation in emission reduction technologies. Programs target net zero emissions, support cleaner transportation and industrial processes, and encourage public-private partnerships. As policy frameworks and technologies evolve, these milestones show how government action has shaped the journey toward a lower emission future.